welcome back to my channel. It's Capri, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and do one thing for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. I do fashion videos, hair videos, beauty, hauls, you name it, little lifestyle, little everything. So go ahead and do that so you don't miss out in the future. And today I'm coming back with you all's favorite, my favorite, Luvme Hair. And they sent me over a new headband wig, y'all. I know y'all noticed that my face is all dramatic today, because for this wig, baby, you have to be dramatic. It's giving queen vibes. And today I'm gonna be showing you all the Kinky Straight headband wig. So we're gonna get right into the video. So of course, as you know, it comes in the purple Luvme Hair box with the ribbon on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And with all the orders, they come with the free gift pack. Now, the gift packs are sometimes a little different, but this time I believe it's the same, but you get the little Luvme Hair pouch. You can put anything you want in it, store your makeup. Also with the headband wigs right now, you're gonna get 5, yes, count them with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands with this, girl. So you don't even have to worry about going to the beauty supply store and stocking up on some headbands. They got you covered. And I don't know if you saw my last video, but I'll go over this again. Already wearing my wig cap right now, so I am ready to get right on into this wig if you all are ready. So of course it comes in the Luvme Hair purple organza bag, and this is how she looks. This is an 18-inch headband wig. This is the Kinky Straight, so it is very, very, very dense. It is supposed to mimic your natural hairstyle for us melanated women. So if you want something that's a little more natural, you definitely want to get this wig. And they did go ahead and hook me up with a coupon code, girl, so you can get you 20% off your purchase with my code. So go ahead and use that. But after you watch this video, of course, because you got to see how lovely this thing is. So you have a comb in the front, a comb on this side, a comb on this side, one in the back, the Velcro closure that goes in the back. So this wig ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on to show y'all exactly how it's looking. Diana Ross and the Supremes. Oh my god, this is so cute, and I haven't even hooked it up yet. So I already have like my baby hairs done on the sides, and as you can see, I just had my wig cap on. You just pop it on. It takes a good 20 seconds to put the whole wig on, and you're out the door. All you have to do is put your headband on, whatever color you're looking for. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, ma'am. And like I said, it is very dense, but I am going to go ahead and see how this wig does if I were to flat iron it. So let's take a little section here and apply some heat to it. I do have my flat irons on 374 degrees, and I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron a section. Oh my gosh, this flat iron so good. It's like bone straight. So if you were to flat iron this whole thing, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it with a few of the headbands to give you all some different looks. Sexy.
Sexy. Sexy.
So in my last Luvme Hair headband wig video, someone asked how this hair would look straightened. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this hair for you and show you what it's looking like. So this is what the hair looks like all straightened out. Oh, this is beautiful as well. I don't know if I like it unstraightened or straightened better. I don't know. It's giving me natural tease, so I don't even care either way. It looks like it's growing right out of my scalp. It's not like a super shiny, doesn't match my hair texture at all. This definitely looks like this could be mine. So yes, this is so cute. This is how it looks where it's coming to once it's all straightened out. It's about broad length, and once again, this is an 18-inch, and that's what it's looking like in the back. So yeah, y'all need to go cop this wig. This is so beautiful. I know I've showed you all so far the wet and wavy headband wig, but this might top the wet and wavy because this is more of like a everyday use. The wet and wavy is a little more exotic, but honey, ain't nobody gonna tell you this is not your hair at all. Comment if you've ever tried a headband wig or not, if this will be your first unit, if you are going to purchase one. Give me your thoughts on these because these are the like perfect get up and go hairstyles, and I'm loving it. I'm so glad that they came out with these headband wigs, honey. This is such a lifesaver. It doesn't take me a long time to throw my hair on, go to the post office, run some errands, do some YouTube videos. It's super fast. Y'all need to get with the wave for real, for real. So yeah, let me know down below if y'all ever tried a headband wig. Use my discount code down below to save you a few coins, and I will see you all in the next video.